Welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors, and today we're going to do another lot walk. Let's get it.
Wasted a lot of time sitting down here by this lake. A lot of things went through my mind. Should I go or should I?
Guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. We do walk around videos pretty much every week. Do test drives on every car. We have descriptions on our website, 100 detailed pictures, and every Monday we update with new inventory. With that being said, we do sell, about 60 cars a month, and I'm only listing 10 a week. That other percentage that's not adding up there sells before I can list it. That happens all the time up here, which is fine. You can come in, check out the cars in person. We don't have a list. A lot of people are calling, asking to be put on a list. We absolutely don't have a list. There's no way to keep up with it. It honestly makes it a little bit more fair to have all these cars put on the website on Mondays. That way you all have a fair advantage of coming and get it. Other than the people that are coming in person, that's obviously the best way to get a car. With that being said, we're going to be walking around. I'm going to tell you the year, the price. Pops hasn't wrote the prices on the windshield, but instead of me waiting, I went and got a list. And now I have all the prices of all the new cars. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, Brian came to see us today. He's probably dropping off some wheels. So we're going to start up here in the front corner. This right here is a 1976 Cutlass. This one's 11.9. All the motor sizes will be in individual videos. So go check that out for a test drive and learn all about each and every car that we're getting ready to walk around. And guys, we do just buy, clean, and sell these cars. We don't do any kind of maintenance, but we do tell you everything that we find on them. It's because we go through so many cars. That's why we don't have time to do that. This one right here is a 1972 Chevelle. This one's 25.9. And then of course right next to that, this one's gonna be 28.9. It's another 72 Chevelle. And that test drive video will be out today, so check it out. It's new inventory. It's a beautiful car. Actually runs and drives awesome. Will make somebody a good driver. Then of course you got the 69 Nova sitting right next to it. This one, let's see here, it's gonna be 26.9. And these cars will sell fast, they always do. The Novas, the Chevelles, the Impalas are #1 sellers. Now, I left out Mustangs. They are too. We're just having a hard time finding them in the price range that we like. Let's see here. We got the 60 Impala. This one's gonna be 34.9. Love the white interior on this one. I'm gonna open the door for you, let you check it out. This is awesome. Test drive is coming today on this one. I may go ahead and do it first. It's either that or the old 55 over there, orange and white. Right next to that, we already sold. It was last week's inventory, 1970 Nova. This was the one with the tub rear end that was so fast. And it did not last very long. Guys, there's tons of test drive videos here on YouTube, so you can see all the previous inventory, what we priced everything, and over the last 5 years, how prices on classic cars have creeped up themselves. Of course, they've always done that, and when classic cars get up, they don't seem to come back down. Right here, 1955, let's look at it on the list here. This one's gonna be 34.9. Of course, this is new inventory, it just came in. And the video has not been made yet, which I'll have it all out by tomorrow. I've only got 4 to do, so I can knock out 3 today and 1 in the morning and have all 4 cars listed by Tuesday. Of course, right over here, you got the 1995 Camaro. It's got a built motor, 9950 with T-tops. This is an automatic car. LT1, Z28. She's pretty fast. Then you got the old Corvette here. These models here are the chrome bumper cars. They bring a lot of money. This is a 1971 Corvette, convertible, $29,900. We also listed this one last week. It didn't last very long. It's already sold. It was a 77 Corvette. And a whole different price range here for $89.50 is a 1980 Corvette. It does need paint, does need some interior work, but it runs and drives awesome. Check out that test drive video, look at the undercarriage shots and all the detailed pictures. Right next to that, about a 74 model Pontiac Firebird. This one's $19,900. And if you're interested in any of these, you can give us a call. I do recommend checking out the photos and the videos before you call us. That way you know for sure if you're wanting it, because after you do that, you'll know everything about them. This one here is a 1980 Camaro, and we have it at $16,900. Already sold the Trans Am over here. This was a 79 Pontiac Trans Am. We had it for about a week, along with the gold one, and they are both out of here. So I'm gonna be right back. We gotta go see Pops' Hot Wheels room. He just updated it, and we put new videos out for you. Go check that out, Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel. I'll be right back. Of course, if you haven't already, go subscribe. Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel. It's below in the description. There's a lot of information down there. There's also information about us on our website. We go into detail. We're a family business, almost 40 years now. And Pops has always done these Hot Wheels. He goes to the conventions, and almost everybody knows him there. Mr. Hot Wheels. So go check it out. And we'll get back out there on the lot. See what else we got new in inventory. Okay, so I'm back out here on the lot. We've still got this row and the front here. So let's go ahead and get started. I think this one right here is a 1967 pickup. It's got a newer model bed on it, and this one's gonna be $13,900. And I'll have the video out tomorrow on it. Still gotta do some catching up on some of these test drives. So $13,900 on this one. And of course, right next to that, we had this one listed last week. It's $21,900. It's a 1966 C10 pickup truck. This one's got the fuel injected motor. And that video is already out, so you'll know everything about it. See undercarriage shots. Same with this one. This one actually sold first thing this morning. People walked in, a couple bought it. What do we have it priced? That one was $28,900. And that's a 1966 model C10. Right next to that, we got the old Caprice. Let's see, Caprice on here. This one's $24,900. Again, sorry the prices were not on the windshield. I just kind of got tired of waiting on the prices to be put on the windshield, so I went ahead and grabbed the sheet, came out here, and $24,900 is what this one is. I tried to get them all on there before we start the videos, but it would have probably been late tonight before y'all got this one. This one here is a 1983 Monte Carlo. And we have it on hold at the moment, but hold don't mean sold until the rest of the cash is here. So this one's $16,900. And do take that in consideration. I got three more sitting right here. This one right here is going to have to be videoed today. 1963 Bel Air. And what do we have it priced here? This one's going to be $24,900. And of course the old 64, it sold before I could even list it at $32,900. I had this video done on Friday and it sold on Friday. I went ahead and put it out so you could see the inventory that we do get in. I had a lot of people calling wanting a 64, but somebody walked in and paid for it. And of course we got a 1967 Biscayne sitting here. This one's got the big block in it and it is $12,900. Again, guys, check out maplemotors.com. Detailed pictures, pricing, information about us. You can go to like a bio there and check it out. We do have shipping and financing as well. I do the videos, Jeff does the pictures. And we get about 60 cars a month. I know 20 cars came in over the weekend and they'll be ready for next week. After that, we're going to Rod Run, which is going to be awesome out in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We'll probably end up with another 20 cars. And there's 2 weeks of that, so hopefully 40 will come out of that. And we'll keep rocking these classics. You can also join us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, where you can get behind the scenes and see what we're doing. Hey, I do appreciate y'all watching that video the other day on the baby reveal. That was for my cousin. I didn't want to get y'all confused. I tried to show her in the video with her husband, and that way y'all would understand it was for my cousin. She asked me to do the burnout reveal. I couldn't turn it down. I just had the Camaro sitting in the driveway, and I'm getting a new set of wheels and tires for it, so I figured, hey, why not? Let's burn the tires off. I sure hope you enjoyed this walk around. If you did, hit subscribe, share. And a lot of people were telling me that the notifications are not coming through. I'm not sure what that's about, but a easy, simple way to fix it is to hit that bell off and turn it back on, and I think you'll end up getting the notifications pushed to the top like you want it. I get calls on that all the time. Don't forget about Pops' Hot Wheels channel. And there's the lot, guys. We walked around, I told you the prices. I'm gonna get back to work. I have got plenty of test drives to do today. Like I said, 4, and I'll have them out tomorrow. Thank you very much. See you later.
Wasted a lot of time sitting down here by this lake. A lot of things went through my mind. Should I go or should I stay?